Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mena and we're back with another video. So today's video, we are doing a super cute deep wave red wig install sponsored by UNice. If y'all want the details on this super cute unit, stick around. But before you go, as always, make sure you go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all in a few.
Best friend, be myself and I, that's all I got in the end. That's what I found out, and it ain't no need to cry. I took a vow that from now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. Got me, myself, and I know that I will never find myself.
Alrighty, so like I said earlier, today we are working with UNiceHair again. I think they have had a packaging update and I'm here for it. Absolutely love it. I love anything pink, so just keep the pink coming. Let's unbox what they sent us. Ooh. Okay, yeah. Come on with this pink wig bag. First of all, this satin. Ooh, this feels kind of nice. I need to make a robe out of this. And I love like with the brown. Very cute. We have some little info cards that they included for us right here. And we have some goodies. So they gave me 8 pairs of lashes. Some wig caps, I could always use more of those. Some press-on nails in the brand color. And of course, I think this is usually my favorite gift besides the wig itself, a wig band. This is cute. They have definitely updated their packaging. Y'all better keep on with this pink, I'm telling y'all. Let's get into the wig. So today we are working with, how many inches is this, y'all? How many inches? We are working with 26 inches today. I know that's right. Ooh, this is a pretty old color. This is giving me 99J, but like a little, I feel like a little warmer than 99J because 99J is like a little purple. This is like a warm red. This is pretty. This is pretty. We're working with a curly deep wave wig today. So usually, you know, you see water wave. Sometimes you see kinky curly. This is a deep wave. Let me show y'all a close up. You see how those curls are like a little bit tighter than your usual water wave? That's deep wave, honey. Wow, this color is beautiful. Now UNice, hold on. Okay, so this is UNice's Bye Bye Knots wig, 7x5 closure, glueless lace, reddish brown, curly, bleached knot, 180% density wig. So, like everything stated in the title, we have our pre-cut lace, our pre-plucked hairline, our pre-bleached knots. They even have some baby hairs already mapped out for us. Everything is pretty much done. So this might be a quick one, y'all. I'm just gonna tint this and then we can get into it. I am very excited. I love a quick and easy install. Oh my God. All right, lace is nice and tinted. Let's just show y'all what that looks like. Now that is a little bit more my shade. All right, let's do it. Oh wow. It's pretty much already done. That's crazy. Now the part is crooked, so we gonna fix that part. But other than that, baby hairs is already laid. Oh, we might be ready to go. We need to get this little part together, so let's go on and do that real quick, and then we can move on. That's a little bit better. One thing that I like though is that the wig does fit very snug. Like that's not going nowhere. Yeah, I don't think I have to add any glue to this, so that's nice. We're gonna bring out our hot comb and, you know, kind of just lay the hairline, make everything all nice and flat, get rid of this hump, you know, all that good stuff. I'm gonna bring out a wax stick and we're gonna wax down that new part that we just made. And then the back of the hair, the front. And while my hot comb is heating up, I'm going to get a little bit of melting spritz and just spray that right on top of the lace. I've definitely never done a cherry red water wave or even deep wave wig install before. So this is definitely new for me, but it's cute. I'm not mad at it. I'm just gonna get this lace down. One part's just being a little stubborn. Cool. That's nice. That was like super easy to lay down with just like a little bit of holding spritz. I'll take the little wig band that they so kindly gave me and go ahead and melt the lace. All right, and now let's work on the hair. I'm just gonna grab some water and a little bit of mousse and we'll get right into it. We're just gonna work on like redefining what we undefined. So I don't have to do all of the hair because it came pretty nicely defined for me already. I'm just gonna do the top. As you can see, with just water, it's already super defined. Don't have to do much. Okay, so just to hold that beautiful curl, now I'm gonna add a little bit of mousse. Going at the top first, and then on the actual hair itself. This specifically is curl mousse, so this is for like supreme curl defining, which is why I love it. Add a little bit more and get my ends. And boom, our hair is defined. Let's get up close so y'all can see. Gorgeous. Now we're gonna bring out our hot comb. And perfect. Now we're gonna take our wig band off, see where our lace is at. And our lace is melted. Now I'm just gonna bring out a little brush and some cream foundation, and we're gonna highlight our part. And we're done. That's it, that's all. That's simple. This color is actually so pretty. I would never think to buy like this reddish brown in a curly unit, but this is really, really pretty. It was literally that easy. Y'all saw all I used was like a little bit of holding spritz, and that's it. Other than that, it's pretty much a glueless unit. See? Go right up under that lace. Hair quality is really nice, defines really easily. Love the color, love the texture. All around, just cute. Thank you to Unice for sending me this unit. Y'all did y'all one with this one once again. That's it, that's all I got for y'all. If y'all enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and leave me a like, comment down below your thoughts on this unit, and if you're gonna pick one up for yourself. And of course, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank y'all so much for watching. As always, it's your girl, Mena. Y'all have a good day.
From now on, I'm gonna be my own best friend. I be myself. I know that I will never be myself.